Greetings of the day. You are watching Topper's Talk. In today's Topper's Talk, there are two candidates with me: Electrical Engineering Rank 2, Abhishek Singh, and Electrical Engineering Rank 6, Vishwa Simha. Both have qualified ESE 2020 with top rank. Abhishek Singh belongs to Srikar, Rajasthan. He has done BTech from IIT BHU 2019 pass out. And in GATE 2020, Abhishek secured All India rank 35, and he is got selected in NTPC, Power Grid, IOCL, and Bureau of Indian Standards. But he has not joined. In 2019, also in ESC, he got selected through reserve list, allotted the IDSC, and joining is awaited. So, Abhishek, congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The second candidate with me is Mr. Vishwa Simha. He is BTech from NIT Trichy, and his father is school teacher retired. He is currently working in Indian Railway as a senior section engineer since last 5 years. He was selected through Railway Recruitment Board. So congratulations, Vishwa Simha.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to share some information about the Abhishek, that Abhishek, you got selected in 4 PSUs, but why you have not taken any appointment? Any specific reason?
Sir, before getting selected into these, I go through the reserve list, so I thought it's better to skip these things.
And have the one job in your hand, IDSC.
Yes, sir. That's why I did not join and
okay.
Waiting for
I'm taking the same question to you. GATE rank is 35 and ESC rank is 2.
Yes,
so
sir.
How you prepared? Combined for both, or you focused on ESC and GATE was
Sir, that preparation was combined throughout the period, but just 1 month before ESC, exclusively I prepared for ESC, and just after that, I gave multiple tests so as to get that accuracy and speed for the GATE examination, and then after GATE, specifically focused on the mains, that is presentation part and other sort of things.
Okay.
So overall, it was a comprehensive and combined study.
If I say 3 months are left for ESC 2021 prelims, so for the last 3 months, what strategy you will suggest?
Sir, first of all, the students should complete the syllabus as soon as possible. And for the last 1 month, they should specifically focus upon revision and give some tests so as to get the accuracy, because that is the most important factor, especially in the prelims examination.
Okay. Vishwa Simha, would you like to say something? Last 3 months strategy for ESC prelims 2021, what should be?
Sir, first thing I'd like to say is we have to look at the last 20 years of question papers, like what are all the topics are being touched. And specifically for general studies, we have to look into last 3 years of papers for general studies preparation. And then last 1 month should be completely focused on revision and test series, sir, because that is the area where we improve on our weak areas. So that is where test series helps.
If I ask you how to best utilize test series, then what would be your suggestion?
Sir, best thing would be I'll categorize my goals into like my strong subjects and weak subjects, and then I'll take the test series of weak subjects first. That is how I did, sir. Then that it's some ways demotivated me sometimes, but it helped me to prepare. Like the weaker subjects, I got lesser marks initially. Then it slowly improved. Anyway, in my stronger subject, I used to get good marks. But first, we should always focus. I always used to focus on weaker subjects, sir.
Okay.
So based on the feedback, I used to study those subjects in detail, and then again I'll take another test.
If you write a test, so after test is over, those questions which you could not attempt or could not answer in test, what you did for those questions? Did you revise again, went home and solved again, or you just kept it for the granted and completed?
No, sir, I just bookmarked it, and I kept a separate notebook for the questions which I felt as which I could not attend and which I attempted with like 50% of idea. So some questions which we take guess. Those two type of questions I used to keep a separate book for future revision. So at the last 1 week of exam, I used to revise everything.
Abhishek, to you. IIT BHU performance is exceptional this year. In civil engineering, rank 1 and rank 2. And you are also
Yes,
rank
sir.
2. And those two also the pass out to 2019 students.
Yes, sir.
Is there any specific reason behind BHU students are performing well?
Sir, first of all, there is a specific trend in each IIT, and in BHU specifically, because of you and your presence in some of the events, the students get motivated into going into this field, and they are very much aware because BHU has a history of creating a lot of toppers. Last year also in
Every
electrical,
year I see good
Yes, sir.
rankers and GATE and IES and both the exams, these students are doing good.
So that is basically because of the trend, and the students get the proper guidance and motivation. So they follow the track and
Follow the
eventually
seniors
get to
approach
easily.
and they are motivated. So right from third year, you started preparation or you started after BTech completion?
Sir, initially I was confused between civil services and ESE. So, but in the fourth year, that is in July 2018, I specifically started for ESE preparation. Although initially I was good in studies, so I had all the concepts clear, but just to get a concise syllabus point of view, I purchased the Made Easy postal course, studied it thoroughly, and within 6 months, I was able to complete all the syllabus. And then I appeared in 2019.
Okay. And ESC mains 2020, you was enrolled in the classroom. So,
Yes, sir.
and then the lockdown was imposed.
Yes, sir.
Half syllabus just started and the lockdown was
And
imposed.
then lockdown
How
came.
did you utilize your lockdown period in study? What was your plan of study?
Sir, after lockdown for the first 2 months, there were no classes, so I mainly utilized that time to solve all the previous year questions. And as soon as the online classes started, I tried to look at all of them and did and made notes out of them. And then eventually I practiced a lot, did all the questions, and also spent a lot of time in solving the test series that really helped me to get good marks in the mains examination.
Okay, great. So, what sources of study you followed for mains preparation?
It was quite simple. The previous year questions, the notes provided by the institute, the test series, and the workbook that were provided by the institute. That is sufficient, and they cover all the variety of questions.
So, Made test series and Made notes, previous year question, and previous year questions of electronics also you solved. You simply
No,
focused.
sir, only electrical, and that too for the last 20 years.
And what about previous year civil services papers?
Sir, I tried to solve some of the question, but I found that in most of the subjects, the approach is different. There, they basically ask standard questions and theoretical based types. So I thought it better to stick to the workbook. That is more relevant.
Correct. Because civil services question standard is different than engineering services, especially in
Yes, sir.
certain areas.
Yes,
Good
sir.
to know. So when the last 3 months are left now, 2021 aspirants, they are now focusing on the prelims. So for prelims paper 1, what approach you will suggest paper 1?
Sir, here also my approach was too simple. Just I took notes from one of my friend of the Made Easy notes. That is a 500 book pages notes. So I revised them, read them regularly, and then gave test. And I think it is the paper one is more about common sense, because how much you may try to study, you will not be having any idea about 50% of the question. So there you have to develop a ability to guess the question. And I did it well, even though I could not make it into the 2019, but there also I scored around 110 marks in GS. So unlike others, it was the easier part for me.
That's good. So what about Vishwasima or your approach for the prelims paper? Paper 1,
sir.
general studies.
Sir, it should be like I purchased all the medicine books for individual topics and I started going through all the topics once. and that gives an idea as to how to approach an answer. Like the same topic, because it is an ocean, like the topics, individual topics are individual college subjects. We cannot keep on mastering them. So these overview of these medicine books help me to answer the questions in a proper way. Like at least we'll get an idea as to how to approach the question. So that helped me in the general studies paper actually, sir.
Okay. And what about current affairs? How did you prepare current affairs section?
Sir, honestly speaking, I did not prepare current affairs section, sir. I left the current affairs section as it is, and eventually that in luckily and eventually came out as a the current affairs paper was part was very difficult in the year, so that indirectly helped me. But I left it. I could not afford the time with my working hours, sir.
That's good. So now coming to the interview stage, and this year it was all online study and making online interview this appearing. So what was your approach to prepare for interview?
Sir, myself, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I enrolled in medicine interview guidance program, sir. So then, more than the individual subject which we already know, there the medicine book which was provided for previous year interview questions. Those were more of practical application in nature, and those helped me there. Not only those questions, with those questions, I was able to think about what all questions which may come in other subjects also. So like that, I used to note down some subjects. And for me, interview was completely on my. I prepared completely on my technical area, but my entire interview went into completely on my job experience. Sir.
So your entire preparation went around the study material which you found from ADG, and not too many sources were required.
Yes, sir. Maximum. Like I prepared my job area, oriented areas from my job notes, and from for technical thing, I prepared the medicine book.
For
Based
interview,
on that,
during the
sir,
interview, do you recall any questions which you can share? What was asked in the interview?
sir, they asked me. A.S. Bonsley sir was my interview panel member. So they asked me like, what is your first preference, and I told it is IDSC. So based on IDSC, they one college professor. I'm not sure about the panel members because of the distance, but he asked me like, you are in charge of an MES establishment now, and how do you design the power system of that area? That went on for 15 minutes, sir. That single topic. He went in detail as to like how will you design the transformer rating, how will you lay the transformer like power cables, what how will you decide the like power cable size, substation size, and the production devices. It went on for 15 minutes. That itself. So that's what I remember very clearly.
अभिषेक, आपका जब इंटरव्यू हुआ था यूपीएससी में, तो आपके इंटरव्यू में किन किन एरियाज में फोकस किया? क्योंकि आप तो 2 बार इंटरव्यू दे चुके हैं, 2020, 2019।
यस सर। तो सर इस बार मेरा जो इंटरव्यू था उसमें 50% डेफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन थे, जो जनरली होता नहीं, पर स्टार्टिंग चेयरमैन सर ने डेफ बेस्ड से की, फिर मेरी हॉबीज पे चली गई कि ट्रैवलिंग और विजिटिंग प्लेसेस। फिर उसी पे सर ने लगभग 15 मिनट क्वेश्चन पूछा कि कहाँ कहाँ घूमे, क्या क्या सीखा, फिर पूछा कि क्या क्या अच्छा लगा। फिर मैंने बोला सर मैं नेपाल घूम के आया था, तो वहाँ का ट्रैवलिंग इंडस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी है, क्या क्या अच्छा है उसमें? बोले यही अच्छा है। बोले इंडियन कंडीशंस पे कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो? तो सर मेरा तो ऐसा था कि ज़्यादातर नॉन टेक्निकल पोर्शन पे चला था। फिर उसके बाद सर ने मुझे जैसे ऑलरेडी आईडीएससी मिल गया था, वो फिर बाकी मेंबर्स थे, उन्होंने पूछा सिमिलर प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन की आईडीएससी में काम क्या होता है, तुमको इतने दिनों में कुछ आइडिया लग गया होगा, और सिमिलर टू द पावर स्टेशन कैसे स्टेब्लिश करेंगे, और कौन सी लाइंस प्रेफर करनी चाहिए, अंडरग्राउंड, ओवरहेड, दैट ऑल। और सर टेक्निकल एकदम सिंपल सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछे थे, मेनली फोकस्ड उनका नॉन टेक्निकल पोर्शन पे ही था।
आपका एक अलग मतलब डेफ पे चला गया ज्यादा मोस्टली। दैट इज व्हाट
डेफ पे ज्यादा
प्रेडिक्टेबल। देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स जिनसे डेफ से कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, एंड फ्रॉम यू 50% क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम डेफ। सो दिस इज व्हाट एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। कई बार स्टूडेंट्स लाइटली ले लेते हैं डेफ को, but DAF is very important.
Yes, sir.
भले ही कुछ भी पूछा जाए, everything you are supposed to answer also. ठीक है.
Hmm.
अभिषेक, लास्ट मोमेंट में स्टूडेंट्स को प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए क्या टिप्स देना चाहते हैं अभी ES 2021 के लिए?
सर मेन मोटो तो ये है कि सिंसियर रहिए पर सीरियस मत होइए. सीरियसनेस से नेगेटिव साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स आते हैं, तो सिंसियरिटी मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. और फ्रेंड्स के साथ कनेक्ट में रहिए, और भले एग्जाम कितना भी नजदीक आ जाए, दिन में मुझे तो लगता है कि आधा घंटा होना चाहिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातें करना या कुछ इंटरटेनमेंट, क्योंकि वो एकदम रिलैक्स कर देता है. और इवेंचुअली एग्जाम के अंदर नॉलेज से ज्यादा आपका कॉन्फिडेंस मैटर करता है कि आप कितने इजीली डिफिकल्ट से डिफिकल्ट चीज को क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. तो मेन एम तो यही है कि कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए और खुश रहिए और दोस्तों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहिए. बाकी पढ़ाई और वो सब वो तो अपने आप फ्लो में आ ही जाएगा.
Great advice. And
Yeah.
Vishnu Simha, would you like to give advice for the last moment to the new generation coming up for 2021 exam?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, determination is the key, sir. Like there are many stumbling blocks where we face a low point. Like especially being a working candidate, I used to feel many days went for me without studying even a single hour. So even that moment of time, we should be motivated, sir, until the last moment. That motivation should be kept. Like initially, a strong base of motivation should develop within us. Like why we are writing this exam. Then those difficult times will easily pass over. If you don't have a strong motivation initially before starting preparation, then definitely at the low points we may leave the preparation. So that initial foundation of why we are writing this examination is very important.
That's great. So thank you for participating in Toppers Talk. For both of you, I wish all the best. And I hope that both of you will also face UPSC Civil Services exam, because many of these students who clear engineering services, they go for civil services. And in current scenario, the joining may be little bit delayed because of the COVID conditions, and you can utilize this time for the preparation of civil services. And I will be happy to take both of you again on Toppers Talk for Civil Services Toppers. If you want any support from Next IAS, you can log on to our website and you can contact, and we will be happy to support for your civil services preparation. Those aspirants who are watching this video, I wish all the best. Continue your preparation. I hope this video will help you to get some idea of the Toppers strategy. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.